Let's learn how you can post blank comment on your TikTok. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device if you want. Before we actually go to TikTok, you will have to open your browser. I will use Safari. You can use any browser like Google. And now click on the search. You will have to type blank space copy. Once you do that, just click on first page that appears, and now once you're here, you'll have to scroll down until you find this blue button, copy to clipboard. When you do that, it will say copy to clipboard. Now go back, open it, and find some random video you want to comment on. Now click on that comment and hold so this paste option can appear. Click on paste. Now you see that this tab moved. Click on post comment, and as you can see, our comment is now posted. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.